Why does it says 2023? But that year is over now. Let's go check. Why I turned myself back into my old self.
Why we came back into 2023?
I thought 2023 is over. For 2024, it's about to be the end of the year.
What the Sigma?
Wow, you said, what the Sigma Lamel?
Why you guys look different with the eyes? Oh my god.
Holy Jesus, I just turned myself into this.
What the hell was that?
Nah, that just teleport us back on 2023.
Joey, do you feel to Sigma of that?
Well, kinda yes.
What? The Sigma?
Sis, do you just say what the Sigma?
Okay, y'all are gonna make some Sigma jokes because we haven't do that joke yet last year.
Ha 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 ha. What the Sigma jokes just came by lol.
I have one. If you guys make some monkey jokes, y'all are monkeys and eats bananas.
Yeah, that's Mr. Shrek says Mexican. I mean, it build like Shrek, dude.
What? Charlie, you said Shrek. That's from the Shrek movie.
Now, very funny. Ha 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 ha. That's hilarious.
I got something for my evil clone. My evil clone is ugly. She look like Shrek, like Abby.
It's the earthquake. Quick, teleport back to 2024.